Hey guys, so let me show you what this brand new product is all about. And basically what this is a collection of premium PSD source files for all the major graphics elements that you need for your website. So things like order buttons, badges, check marks, graphical headlines, some other text, website headers, little bullets, website footers, these soft shadow boxes, and a lot of different other things. So there's a lot of different files in this package, and it basically covers pretty much all of your mini-site graphics needs. And what makes this package special is the fact that all of these are source PSD files and with all the layers intact, so you can modify all of these graphics in any way you like. You can change all the colors, you know, the styles, the fonts on the text. You can resize things, move things around, and a lot more. And another thing that makes it special is the fact that these are all vector images. Each layer on each of these graphics is a vector file, and that means that you can resize these to any size you want, even for print resolution, without any loss in quality. So it's a very versatile and useful package. You get a lot of stuff here. There's over 30 different templates, and each one comes with fully editable layers. So there's a lot of source files here to work with. And these source files usually cost a lot of money if you were to hire a designer and ask them for source files. So this is very useful and valuable stuff. And let me just show you a few of these things in more detail. So for example, let's open up this button here. Let's move this a little bit so you can see better. Okay, so here's one of the source files that you get. As you can see, it's very professional. Everything is already laid out nicely. All the styles are in place. And you can see here all of the layer styles are also, all of the layers are in place, and they all have layer styles and things like that on them. So let me just show you how you can edit this template. Okay, so let's select the text layer, and as you can see, you can type any text that you want. You can have like little signs, numbers, check marks, or you can put in full text, like your text. These layers can also be moved around anywhere you want. You can resize these layers, of course. So you can type something like your text, and of course you can fix it up, move it around. You can also add things like check marks. I already have some of these things installed in the template for you, like this arrow here. And you can also add these layer styles to all of these layers. Let me just select this layer here, click on the layer style, and as you can see, the arrow gets modified with just a few clicks. And you can modify all of these different elements here. For example, you can make the whole template a different color, like the circle inside. You can make the border a different color. So you can play around with this template, make it look just the way you want it to look. And since these are vector images, you can blow them up to be as big as you want. Let's make it, I don't know, let's triple the size on this thing. And as you can see, it gets blown up to this huge size and there's no loss in quality. And each of these templates is the same way. They all have their own layers. All of the layers are in vector format. You can edit all of these templates. You can make them any size you want. You can combine different elements from one template to another. And there's a lot of different things that you can do with this. So again, this is a high quality template. Everything is laid out for you, like the text is in place, all the special effects, all the gradients and like lighting effects. And you can move all of these things around. Like you can position the text anywhere you want to position it. I'm just moving it around here as an example. Again, you can apply your own styles to the template to create your own unique look and color combinations. And you get all of these layer styles in a package as well. You get 200 layer styles, which you can just click and modify the templates in just a few clicks, the way I'm doing it here. Okay, you also get a bunch of files with a lot of different shapes and layers, like these arrows here. You can use these arrows for your own designs. Just click on the one that you like, apply any layer styles to it, just like the other templates, and then you can click on them and then drag them into your own designs. For example, let's open up this order button here, and let's say you want to add like an arrow to it. So you can click on the arrow, drag it into the order button, position it anywhere you want to position it. Okay, and you can quickly create all kinds of designs yourself this way. So that's the arrows. You also get a set of buttons in different sizes. These are like order buttons, add to cart buttons. You can put any text you want here. And again, you can move all of these around as a whole set or just one at a time. So just choose the button that you like, add text to it, apply a layer style to it. And you have a cool button in just a few minutes. So there's a lot of different templates here. This package will save you a lot of time. These are source files, like I said. You can choose just one little effect or one little layer from any one of these source files and just add it to your own graphics, and this will save you a lot of time. Okay, let me just show you a few things. A few other things. Here's like a soft shadow box. You can use this as a testimonial or some kind of other box behind some text or something like that on your website. Hold on, let me see this. And since this is also a vector file, you can also resize this to any size you want, and it won't lose any quality. Okay, so I have several of these boxes here. I also have a soft shadow corner, which is just the corner of a box. It looks very cool. So if you want to have a section of your website pop or stand out, you can add this corner box. Again, you can resize it, move it around, rotate it so you can have it on the right side, the left side. Let's see, what else can I show you? If you want to have a graphical headline for your website, I have a source file for that here also. You can type in any text you want. So let's just type something here. Your hard-hitting headline goes here. I can't spell right now, but okay, you can make it, just type in your own text, save the file, export it to your website. You have a cool looking headline in just a few minutes with this source file here. You also get a header. Again, all the text is in place. You just put in your own website text, your own subheadline, some extra text here, put your own image here, apply some layer styles, and you have a cool looking header to go in minutes. I also have a footer, all kinds of check marks. Again, there's a lot of stuff here in this package. There's a lot of source files. Each one comes with its own layers. All the layers are editable. So there's a lot of value here. This package will save you a lot of time. So I don't want to make this video too long. If you like the product, just go down the page below for more details. And I hope you like this brand new package.